So this is the agbada I just finished. This is the agbada I just finished. The next design I'm doing now is also agbada, and that is a white agbada. The next design I'm doing now is agbada, and it is a white agbada. So I will do this one later, do the finishing of that one. So the white agbada I'm using this fabric. Let me check if I can manage it on this frame. Like eléyìí ò fẹ́ ṣe manage o, unless I put a piece here. I have to join a piece on this part. Kò fẹ́ align. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So let me look for a fabric I can attach to this part. So I will attach this with it so that I'll be able to pin the fabric to the frame. Eléyìí máa work. Á ṣiṣẹ́. I don't want to take a new white plain material. This one is still useful. It should still do one agbada, and then the remaining will be pieces. So nothing must be waste. Must manage properly. There should not be any wastage. So after pinning it with my pins, I'll pin it to the frame, and then I can start monogramming. So I'm good to go. All right, let me start pinning. These are my pins. Let me start placing it on the frame. I just hope this agbada also will not take much hours like the one I just finished. Don't know how happy I am anytime agbada does not take longer hours, because there are some agbadas that will take 10 hours, 7 hours before it is done. If the machine says this agbada will want for 4 hours, you see that 4 hours just add 2 hours to it. Ló bá tán. Agbada, you will sleep and wake up and the agbada is still running. So we continue. In case your tailor tells you that agbada is expensive, this is one of the reasons why agbada is expensive, because it takes longer hours to be done. The time that I will have used to make, I'm trying to check my mic. Come on, fuck me up. The time that I will have used to make many flap and pockets or some other body design, one agbada is still running. One agbada is still running. So that's one of the reasons why agbada is expensive. In case you want to do agbada, note that that's one of the reasons why it's expensive. Don't say your tailor is charging high. No, or don't say the person doing the monogram is charging too much. No, take hours. How much do you want me to charge per hour when one agbada will take me for 7 hours, 8 hours? No. So note that. All right. What? Okay. Let me remove my flash drive from the system. Okay, and then save the design to the machine. So this is my flash drive. I'm going to put it on the machine and save the design, because I just created the design. It's not on the machine before. So I have to save it and then start designing. ṣe bá ò ní múre bọ̀ wálé, irọ́ lọ̀tá ń pa, múre bọ̀ wálé. Let me move the camera closer so you see what I'm doing on the machine. So I'm using hash. Alright, so white hash. Okay, so this place should be ash again. Is it going to be ash? I think it's going to be white. White. Oh, it confused me. Okay, this. Okay, I'm supposed to start with ash, then white, then ash again, then white. So this is it. Let me check it so you see it clearly. Yes, this is what I want to do. This is how I want to combine the colors. White hash, white hash. So I'm good to go with the colors, and the next thing is to set it. You can see it on the machine. So the next thing I'm going to set, let me reset the camera. So let's start. Here's my scissors. Let's start. That's too much. So let me check the design area where the design will run on. So now the next thing now is to bring out the stay, gum stay I'm using for the design. This is my gum stay. Where is my tape rule? This is my tape rule, and then my scissors. So let me cut out the stay I want to use. Wọ́n ṣe bá ò ní múre bọ̀ wọ́n tún ṣubú. Oh, it's because the stay is no longer much. That's why it's falling. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹni tó wà lọ́ndà 90. Má ṣubú o. Alright. Ṣé bá ò ní múre bọ̀ wálé, irọ́ lọ̀tá ń pa, múre bọ̀ wálé. Hey, hey. Ṣé bá ò ní múre bọ̀ wálé, irọ́ lọ̀tá ń pa, múre bọ̀ wálé. So now this may be the last design I will do for today. I close by 9 p.m. So it may be the last design for today, and it may be that I will finish this agbada design by tomorrow morning. So any which way, I will let you know. The updates. Keep watching. Wọ́n ṣe bá ò ní múre bọ̀ wálé.